Nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KUCCPS nĩkuo kĩgomano kĩrĩa nĩkĩo kĩa mbere gĩa bũrũri kĩgiĩ ũmenyo wa kothi itiganĩte na ũrĩa iraingĩrana na mĩeke ya mawĩra kĩharĩrĩirio nĩ rũhonge rwa woyani wa arutwo mayunivasĩtĩ-inĩ na college.
We want to effectively offer career guidance so that we enhance employability skills of the students who are undergoing training and make them more productive in the economic development of our country, Kenya.
It will provide a platform for dialogue on career guidance that aligns with the new education system, which emphasizes a learner-centered approach, parental engagement, and development of skills and talents.
Thina wa gukorwo andu aingi anini athomu ni magite mawira ni undu wakiririo ni gukorwo andikani marauga aria maretha mawira matire na umenyo uria urabatarania.
According to recent labor market analysis, employers simultaneously report persistent skills gaps, pointing to a paradox of jobs without graduates and at the same time graduates without jobs in certain fields.
Arutwo a CBE makioerera githomo kĩao gĩa senior kuria maraingĩra mĩerekera-inĩ ya mawĩra marĩa mangĩenda gũkaruta. University gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ciugĩte nĩ ciambĩtie kwĩharĩria gũkaamūkīra mwaka-inĩ wa 2029.
Beginning, this is a journey that we are going to walk with the students who come into grade 10, so that as they move to grade 11 and grade 12, then we will be celebrating the competencies that they are able to acquire as they go through their study.
We started by preparing the schools of education, because then these needed to train teachers who already have to go and start teaching these students in junior secondary schools, in senior secondary schools.
We have also reviewed the coverage and scope of our programs, and we know there are gaps in areas like the sports, the creatives. And going forward, we'll be admitting more teachers to be able to get the expertise that is required to deliver these courses in our universities.
Kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩrĩa KUCCPS maugĩte kĩrĩtabanagio oro mwaka kĩrehete hamwe arutwo kuma oro junior secondary arĩa maraingĩrire thukuru cia senior na arĩa metereire gũthiĩ university, aciari oro hamwe na arutani gatagatĩ ka anyiti itemi angĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.